We have a very unique house with rooms decked out to the extreme throughout. And while we frequently create content about the house, covering the basement full of gaming setups and entertainment space especially, we'd like to give a little extra love to our home theater today. It's been a hot minute since we did a tour of this room, so it's time. A lot has changed and been upgraded since our previous home theater tour, which you can find on our channel if you're curious to see what this room looked like a few years ago. We also have an updated full house tour on our channel as well if you want to see more of the rest of the house. Anyway, back to the present and the current state of our home theater. Before you even take a step into the theater itself, you are met with a themed hallway full of details. All the walls in the hallway have been painted black with gold trim around the door, with added black and gold details. You can also find black and gold plaques next to the door, letting you know that our theater features Dolby Atmos, 4K Ultra HD, IMAX, and that it has a PlayStation console for gaming. There are classic red and gold theater ropes on that side of the wall as well, which we think really adds to the classic vibe, especially paired with the custom theater neon sign hanging above the door. You'll also see that we have added several movie posters here as well. This has been something that we've been thinking about how to do ever since moving into this house a few years ago. We considered installing monitors that would auto-update the poster of the movie playing inside a theater, but in the end, we ended up simply choosing to mount displays with a few of our favorite movie posters. We actually really like the results, especially since they sit super flat up against the wall and can be easily swapped out in the future since they're just installed using magnets. Let's finally head into the theater, one of our favorite rooms of the house. We never thought we would have something like this in our own home, which, as movie lovers, make us very happy. We still frequently go to the local cinema to watch newly released movies, but this room has been such a great way to catch up on some older movies or rewatches. It feels like a pure luxury, and we love it every time we watch something in here. It is also really quiet in here, which is something that we can't really show you guys, but it's noticeable immediately as you step in here. This is in part thanks to the red curtains that we have along the walls, some of which even lead into a bathroom. The overall quiet feeling is especially due to the many sound panels mounted across the walls, doors, and ceiling though. They help our speakers sound amazing and avoid too much sound from leaking out into the rest of the house. We tend to watch movies with the sound turned up, so this is definitely important to us. Speaking of the sound, we of course have a fully equipped sound system in here. Everything is from SVS, who kindly sent us these for review a while back, and we've loved the sound of them ever since. We have one SVS Ultra Evolution center speaker right underneath the projector screen, slightly angled up for an optimal listening experience. It's a 3-way center speaker with great clarity and a wider sweet spot area, allowing you to hear that optimal sound in a wider area of the room, making it so that everyone in our home theater will have a great experience. The center speaker also provides pristine clarity when it comes to sounds like voices, and it's really a game changer compared to when we used to watch movies with a simple soundbar. It gets a lot easier to distinguish dialogue, especially when paired with our other speakers. And those speakers are the two Ultra Evolution Pinnacle speakers, the flagship tower speakers from SVS. They really do a lot of the heavy lifting with their diamond-coated aluminum 1-inch dome tweeter for amazing acoustic and smooth high frequencies without distortions, dual 5.25-inch mid-range drivers helping you get that perfect tonal accuracy, and quad 8-inch glass fiber woofers for accurate low frequencies and room-filling bass. Speaking of bass, we are using two of the SP4000 subwoofers in this setup too. They sadly don't sell these anymore since they are now newer versions, but we still really love these ones. They are really powerful and definitely make you feel the audio in your bones when turned up. Each one has a 13.5-inch front-firing driver that produces massive low-frequency outputs with accuracy, especially for its size. There are also 4 wall-mounted Ultra Evolution elevation speakers around the room for surround sound. These speakers make the sound more immersive by adding surround sound, and while we are using them for side and rear surround sound, they could also work for Dolby Atmos surround sound, depending on how they're installed. They are designed for easy installation and can be easily mounted on the wall or ceiling to achieve optimal sound, and are perfect additions to our home theater system, really filling out the audio towards the sides and back of the room and creating a 3-dimensional bubble of sound. All of these speakers and subwoofers are connected to our Marantz Cinema 50 home theater receiver, which help process everything and enables the right audio to be channeled to the right speaker. For example, the surround sound effects to the elevation speakers across the sides and back of the room, and the dialogue to the center speaker. Overall, this audio system is simply incredible and has taken everything to a level that we never thought was possible to achieve at home. In some ways, it's even better than what you'd experience from an actual movie theater, thanks to the hard-hitting bass, clarity, and immersive surround sound experience. Of course, the speakers aren't the only important thing in a movie theater, you also need a good screen and projector. In here, we have a 120-inch screen that can retract down when not in use, though we leave it up at all times since we only use this room for watching shows or movies. It is really incredible to watch movies on such a big screen. It really does help a lot with both immersion and appreciation of whatever you're watching. We have had several projectors in this setup over the years, but our current one is definitely our favorite. It is the awhile Ethereum 4K laser projector, and it's an UST or ultra short throw, which means that it sits right underneath the projector screen instead of at the back of the room. It's very bright at 3500 ISO lumen, amazing native contrast at 6000 to 1, gorgeous colors, and even has gaming features like 1 millisecond response time and VRR. We have a full review of this projector on our channel if you want to learn more about it, but yeah, it's amazing. Seats are also really important in a home theater, and we are thankfully very happy with ours. These are 4 of the Oslo leather recliners from Valencia, made out of premium Italian Napa leather, complete with cup holders, snack tables, and RGB lights. The 2 back row seats are placed on a 7-inch riser to improve the viewing experience, so you can fully enjoy the movie no matter which seat you're in. Speaking of RGB lights, we also had some recessed ceiling lights installed in the theater to help set the vibe. They are smart, so they can be controlled through an app or Google Home. They can be set to either an RGB ring or a simple straight down white light. Once the movie starts, we just tell Google to turn them off to avoid any distractions. We also have some decorations along the back wall of the theater too. Here you can find another custom theater neon sign, some funny theater-themed characters, and more of those magnetic movie posters from display that we had in the hallway. We have an LED mini fridge here with a fully functioning popcorn machine on top. There's, of course, plenty of candy and movie snacks inside the cabinet too. And that's the updated home theater setup tour. What do you think? Is there anything that you would have done differently? We actually have huge plans to redo this room in the coming months, so we'd love to hear your input on how we can improve this space. Please consider subscribing to the channel if you want to stay up to date and see how we improve this space and the rest of our house, and like this video if you found it interesting. Thank you to SVS for sponsoring this video and helping us get an incredible audio experience in here. They also have a helpful support team on their website if you're just getting started and need some recommendations. Check the description for more info. If you want even more content to watch, head on over to our short form content here on YouTube Shorts, Instagram, and TikTok at CamXPetra. You can also find everything that we use in this setup and others linked on our website, CamXPetra.com. Until next time, bye.